Hello friends, today I'm giving to you some good tips. अ, मैं थोड़ा हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश मिक्स करके बताऊंगा ताकि आप सबको समझ में आए। अगर ज़्यादा सर्दी खांसी ज़्यादा होने लगे तो ट्राई कीजिएगा कि एंटीबायोटिक का जितना कम हो सके यूज करें, क्योंकि आई हैड ऑलरेडी taken that antibiotic, and after taking this antibiotic my health is half, like 50% is like dead and 50% alive. So don't take this medicine, try to avoid this one. This is Cefodem XP 325. This is antibiotic for coughing. Suppose your neck is so irritating, you can't talk even when eating, that your throat is irritating. At that condition you have to take this antibiotic, otherwise try to avoid this one, because this is very harmful to your body. So after, if you fall in this situation, so after taking permission prescribed by some doctors, then you take this medicine. This is Cefodem XP 325. You have to take morning one and nighttime one, and before this you have to take that antacid, fancied DSR, because a lot of gas is forming, and you have to take this medicine also. This is called the Mishinex 600.